You don't need someone by your side for every single activity in your life. Learn to enjoy doing things on your own. Go to the gym by yourself, take a solo trip to your favorite cafe, or enjoy a meal at that restaurant you've always loved. Get comfortable being alone with your thoughts, learn to manage and understand them. This way, you can organize your mind, find clarity, and discover how to be productive on your own. Stop making your life's activities dependent on others. Go to the gym even if your friend isn't coming, or explore new places without waiting for company. Being alone is essential. It teaches you independence, helps you grow, and builds your confidence. You gain valuable experiences and learn so much about yourself when you step out of your comfort zone without needing someone by your side. So take that leap. Being alone is not lonely, it's empowering.